Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Blogger to Google Search Console. So the first step you simply need to do is to open blogger.com. You need to open the first website. So once you are in Blogger, here you can see that you simply need to click on view blog. Copy that blog link from here and you need to open Google Search Console. You need to open the first website. Click on start now. So here you are in your Blogger Search Console, Google Search Console. You simply need to click here and click on add property. You can add by domain or URL prefix. So let's suppose I want to add with domain. Click here, remove HTTPS. Okay, and click on continue. Once you've done that, your website will be added in Google Search Console. So this is the process by which you can add Blogger to Google Search Console. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.